Okay, so let's have this problem. Ano itong problem na to? Use 0 through 4th order Taylor series expansions to predict f of 2.5 for f of x equals ln of x. Using a base point at x equals 1, compute the true percent relative error for each approximation. In rounding off your answers, use up to 5 decimal places. So, yung 5 decimal places, dito lang yan sa true value natin, approximate value at true error. Sa percent relative error, pwede na dyan yung up to 2 decimal places na lang. Percentage naman kasi siya. Step size, pagmamaynosin lang naman natin yung x sub I saka x sub I plus 1. F of n of x, ito ay yung i-derivative natin. F of n of x sub I, where x sub I ay yung ating x is equal to 1. Sasubstitute natin dito sa function natin. Okay? So, simula natin sa step size h. So, step size h naman natin ay x sub I plus 1 minus x sub I. X sub I plus 1 is equal to 2.5. Yan yung ating true value. Minus 1 equal to 1.5. So, lahat ito merong 1.5. Okay? Next is, tayo naman ay magkakaroon ng derivative. Ano ba yung function natin? F of x equals ln of x. So, sulat natin dito ln of x. Tapos, derivative natin siya, f prime of x. Anong derivative ng ln x? 1 over x. Okay? F double prime of x, anong derivative ng 1 over x? So, para kasi siyang magiging x raised to negative 1 yan. So, negative 1 times coefficient negative x raised to negative 2. Or, pwede natin siyang sabihin na negative 1 over x squared. Okay, so negative, ito pala ay hindi ko na isulat, sorry. So, derivative ng ln x natin ay 1 over x. Tapos ito ay negative 1 over x squared. Okay? F triple prime of x is equal to, so derivative naman ito, negative 2 times negative 1, so 2x raised to negative 3. Or equal to 2 over x cubed. Tapos, f raised to 4th prime of x equals negative 3 times 2, negative 6x raised to 4. Or negative 6 over x raised to 4. Tapos, isubstitute natin yung mga x sub I natin. Okay? So, yung x sub I natin, x sub I is equal to 1. Okay? So, ln of 1 is equal to 0. 1 over 1 is equal to 1. Negative 1 over 1 squared ay negative 1. 2 over 1 cube ay 2. And negative 6 over 1 raised to 4 ay negative 6. Okay. So, ano naman yung true value natin? So, ang ating ln of 2.5 is equal to 0.91629. So, sulat natin yan. So, lahat yan meron 0.91629. Pasensya ka na sa mga sulat ko, pero naiintindihan naman. Okay. So, kasunod natin. Kung meron na tayong ganyan, kasunod natin gagawin ay kunin na natin yung f of x sub I plus 1. Meron tayong formula dyan na tinatawag nating Taylor series expansion. Okay. So, f of x sub I plus 1 is equal to x sub I. Okay? Ano yung x sub I natin kanina? F of x sub I pala. So, 0. So, 0 din yun. Approximate value natin ay 0.12345. So, 0 F of x sub I plus 1 equals, itong value na to, f of x sub I plus f prime of x sub I times h. Okay? So, f prime of x sub I ay 1 times h, 1.5, ano? 1.5, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so, f of x sub I, so, pangatlong pagkakataon o second order natin. So, ito, pag pinagsama na natin ay 1.5, di ba? Plus, f double prime of x sub I times h squared all over 2 factorial. So, that is equal to ilan? 1.5 plus f double prime natin ay negative 1 times h squared, 1.5 squared all over 2. 2 factorial is 2. And that is equal to 0.375. Okay. 0.37500. Okay. Tapos, f of x sub I plus 1. Another, sa third order tayo. So, nakuha na natin 0.375 plus, okay. So, third order tayo. F triple prime of x sub I times h cube all over 3 factorial. So, this is equal to 0.375 plus, ano yung f triple prime? 2 times 1.5 cube all over 3 factorial is 6. Anong sagot natin? Ang naging sagot natin ay 1.5 ulit. Okay? So, 1.50000. Tapos, yung kasunod, f of x sub I, so, fourth order na tayo, is equal to 1.5 plus f is to fourth prime x sub I times h raised to 4 over 4 factorial. So, this is equal to 1.5 plus f to the fourth x sub I is negative 6 times 1.5 raised to 4 all over 24. So, that is equal to ilan? 0.68168 191. Okay? 0.68191. Okay. So, yung true error naman natin, true error, ay di, yung approximate value at saka true value, ano? So, true value minus approximate value is our true error. Okay? So, pag ma-minusin lang natin dalawa. So, pag pinag-minus na natin yan, anong magiging sagot natin dito? So, 0.91629 pa rin kasi 0 siya. Kasunod ay negative 0.58371. Katulad lang yan nitong pangatlo, ano? 58371. Yung pangalawa natin ay 0.54129. Lastly, okay, ito ay 0.68191. Sorry, nagkamali ako dito sa kabila. Ito pala, ang ating approximate value. Hindi na ako tumingin. Hindi na ako nag-solve eh. Tumingin na lang ako sa kodigo. 0.23438. Okay. So, percent relative error natin, makukuha na natin si percent relative error. So, this is syempre 100% pa rin. Ano? Kasunod, 63.70%. Kasunod, 59.07%. And then, 63.70% pa rin. Tapos, 74.42%. So, kapag pala LNX, yung ating ginagamitan ng Taylor series of expansion, hindi siya basta-basta nalapit yung value sa ating true value. Okay? So, yun lang. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Thank you.